How to change the default notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. From here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. From here, tap on Notification Sound. Then from the list, scroll down and select a different notification sound. So here, select a notification sound that you would like to use. And then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.